Hi guys, it's Margarita Skypen, and in today's video we're going to talk about some basics. We're going to talk about some basics about rings so that you are more knowledgeable when you go into the store, if you're shopping online, even if you're entering something in Google. You have to understand that if you don't enter it correctly, you will not get the right results. So let's go through ring basics. Got some rings over here, some of our collections. This ring, this is a band. Right here, I'm touching it. Also called a shank, a band or a shank. The top is a basket, also just called top of the ring. This ring, band, and a closed basket. The reason this is a closed basket is because the bottom of the basket has nothing, no opening whatsoever. Cluster ring. Cluster ring is a whole bunch of small stones together in a cluster. Okay, you see this basket on the top here? It is a high basket. Okay, you can tell that the basket is high as opposed to a low basket. Okay, now over here, thin band, thick band, thin band, thick band. Double halo ring. Okay, double halo ring because it's got 2 rows of diamonds around the center stone, so it's double halo. This is a double halo ring as well, another one. Double halo is 2 rows of diamonds around the center stone. Single halo, 1 single row of diamonds around the center stone. Single halo. Now, this one is an oval halo ring because you have an oval, you have a halo. Halo is when the diamonds are round. And you have this dot design. When there is a dot design, it's called a millgrain. Millgrain is a little dot design around. I have another ring here with millgrain. It's a wedding band with millgrain all around. You can see the millgrains. It's the dot design on the bottom and on the top. Now, 3 stone ring. 3 stone ring is 3 stones side by side. 3 stone ring. This one is a square shank or a square band ring. You can see that the band is square. It's Margarita Skypen, and I hope you learned something new in this episode about ring styles and your ring basics. I'll see you in the next episode.